How to sell your Robinhood stock or how to sell stock on Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can sell your Robinhood stock or how you can sell stocks on Robinhood. Now, the process itself is actually quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, what you want to do is you want to open up your Robinhood application or Robinhood on your web, and then what you want to do is you want to head into your stock detail page. So you want to head into your particular stock detail page that you are wishing to sell. There you'll find the option trade, right? In my case, I don't have trade options because my account isn't verified. You can read there at the bottom of the screen. It says you can start investing once your application is approved. So unfortunately, I don't have any stocks bought up, or I can't sell it. I can trade basically. So here on the stock detail page, if you scroll down, you'll find the trade option. You want to tap on trade and you'll get the sell option. Simply tap on sell and then select dollars or such that you wish to. You can either set dollar or share. Once you do so, you want to go ahead and you can sell it. So you can sell Robinhood stock this way. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.